Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the color of the text cursor indicator in Windows 10. Changing the color of the text cursor can make it more visible and easier to locate while typing. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Ease of Access. Step 3. From the left-hand side menu, select Text Cursor under the Vision section. Step 4. Make sure the text cursor indicator is turned on if it was previously turned off. Step 5. Under the Suggested Text Cursor Indicator Colors section, choose the color you prefer. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the color of the text cursor indicator in Windows 10. By customizing the color of the text cursor indicator, you can make it stand out and adapt it to your personal preferences. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments, or for anyone who wants to enhance their typing experience. Remember, you can always go back to the settings and choose a different color or turn off the text cursor indicator if needed. And there you have it. You now know how to easily change the color of the text cursor indicator in Windows 10. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in improving your typing experience and making the text cursor more visible. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.